Racing Jazz is started. We have Moonfire break quickly restart. Purpose driven is on the outside. Don Anton moving up on the outside. Count me in. Divine Dancer. Big Scoop comes next. Blind Item then followed now by Ingrid's Joy. Classic G in the middle portion now is Ashley's Gift. And going along for the first turn we have the Quick is striding Moonfire on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Moving up to take second is Don Anton, Purpose driven alongside third. Down in fourth now is Blind Item alongside Divine Dancer. Down on the inside Ashley's Gift. Big Scoop comes next, Prince Papay. Count Me In, Classic G, then followed by Royal Jewels, while Ingrid's Joy now racing in less than the fourth turn. We have Moonfire enjoying a 2 lengths lead, and in second Don Anton. Purpose driven comes next, Blind Item then followed by Ashley's Gift. Next in line is Prince Papaya, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Don Anton running by the release Moonfire. We have Moonfire, Don Anton keep on party route for the lead. We have about 150 meters more to run. We have Moonfire, Don Anton is on the outside. Moonfire, Don Anton giving the power burst of energy on the outside, and finally it's going to be Don Anton. Moonfire, then comes Ashley's Gift, Purpose driven, Prince Papay, Big Scoop, Divine Dancer.
For race number 3, our unofficial winner, numero 4, Don Anton. At masisegundo, numero 1, Moonfire, 7, Ashes Gift sa East, Purpose Driven, 3A Horse, Prince Papay, 12, Big Scoop, at 8, Divine Dancer, 4-1.